Okay, everyone. Now we are going to discuss about past perfect continuous. And what is past perfect continuous? Yaitu past perfect continuous itu digunakan untuk menyatakan kejadian yang sudah terjadi beberapa saat di masa lampau ketika kejadian lain terjadi. And the formula for past perfect continuous time. Di sini ada formula atau rumusnya yang biasa kita gunakan untuk past perfect continuous itu, yaitu ada dua ya. Di situ ada dua kejadian, she had been sleeping for 5 hours atau subject plus had been plus verb ing. She had been sleeping for 5 hours before her father woke up, sebelum ayahnya bangun. Dan di sini mudah jika kita ingin membuat if wanna make negative sentence, kita hanya menambahkan not setelah had ya. Example, she had not been sleeping for 5 hours before her father woke up. Nah, oke. Jadi ini sangat mudah sebenarnya, it's very easy ya. Dan jika kita ingin membuat pertanyaan ya, kita cukup memindahkan had di depan kalimat. Example, had Isna been sleeping for 5 hours before her father woke up. Oke, jadi apakah sudahkah Isna tidur selama 5 jam sebelum ayahnya bangun gitu ya maksudnya. Jadi past perfect continuous itu jadi selalu bertambah, ditambah had plus been ya, kalau itu kalimat positif ya, plus verb plus ing ya, seperti itu ya. Jadi she had been subject plus had been I had been sleeping for 5 hours before my father woke up, misalnya seperti itu. Oke, jika kita ingin menambah kalimat negatif atau tidak ya, dia tidak tidur misalnya, kita cukup menambahkan not ya setelah had. And let's look another example about past perfect continuous. Sini ada contoh lain ya. I had been studying in the room for 1 hour when my friend came this morning. Jadi ini maksudnya I had been studying in the room. Saya sudah belajar di ruangan for 1 hour, selama 1 jam, when my friend came this morning, ketika temanku datang pagi tadi. Jadi ini menerangkan bahwa aku masih belajar selama 1 jam, yaitu maksudnya menekankan durasi waktu tertentu dan belum selesai, sudah dipotong temanku datang. Itu maksudnya ya. And the time signal for past perfect continuous, biasanya time signal yang biasa digunakan yaitu past perfect continuous ya, and then when simple past ya. Yang kedua, time signal yang biasa dipakai adalah simple past ditambah when past perfect continuous. Okay, thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please comment in this link below.